over the continent, I say congratulations to all of us. From the throne of grace, from our most incredible King, the magnanimous King, Ooni Adeyeye Babatunde Ogunwusi, the Ojaja II, and great Ooni of Ife. Bàbá ní kí n kí gbogbo wa pé a kú oríire, pé inú àwọn dùn, ayọ̀ àwọn sì kún. He's our father yesterday and he's also our àna tí bàbá Yorùbá wò. May this throne continue to flourish. May God's grace continue to abound on this throne. May the dynasty continue to live in accordance